So we start off today's video with this IKEA hack. So it looks like they are doing a furniture flip for this one. Wow. Oh, she made that look so easy. Absolutely stunning transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So moving right along to this second one. Oh, they made a really cool looking wind chime here. Very nice. And then it looks like we have another furniture flip. So they bought these cheap chairs and they're going to transform them. Wow, so some of the edges are kind of broken, so she's really having to repair these. And then she's going in with different colors of paint. This is such a fun vibe with this look she's creating. Very nice. I really like her style. And then we have some twisted candles. So I love checking these out in like the pastel colors. I think they're so pretty. This would be a very fun and like easy beginner friendly DIY. Simply take the candles and then put them in hot water and then twist them to the shapes of your liking. So it looks like they're gluing them together here. Very interesting take. And doing like one long twisted double candle. Oh, this is cool. Very nice. Then we have someone doing their own artwork. So they did kind of like a pink and white color scheme here. This is really pretty. Oh, okay, so they went over that with the pink, with the white. And then we have a spray paint DIY. Matte black and then adding in some gold foil. Ooh. Okay, you guys already know that I am a fan of this. Definitely my vibe and aesthetic here. Oh, she's adding like little pearls and sequins. Oh, that is so pretty. So it's like a really nice decorative bowl. Wow. Oh, I love this idea. So cool. Alright, so we got another kind of outdoorsy DIY. They got the plant pots here. I like this like bamboo texture that he's using. Or wooden sticks, I don't know what you would call that. Very cool vibe with that. And then I guess he's making like a larger plant pot or plant stand. Very nice. I feel like this would look nice spray painted too if he did like black. That would be cool. And we have someone making some type of bench here. Wow. This is beautiful. They use that as their coffee table. The material versus the finished product. So it looks like someone's doing some type of lamp here with old bottles. Wow, now that's a good recycle. Whoa, that's crazy. You would never guess that those were like bottles. Make a wavy mirror with me. So it looks like they're using the spray foam for this. I feel like this would be a tricky material to work with. I mean, you would need probably quite a few cans too. This is a large mirror. You would definitely need more than one for sure. I see like 4 there and she's going to get more. You better get at least 2 or 3 of those because she still had quite a bit left to do. Okay, good. Oh, wow, she got a lot. She got like 5. Yeah, this would be a very complicated project to do. Wow. Very ambitious to take on a mirror that size with the foam. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.